Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. Why did the farmer decide to take his mother on the summit? Answer. The farmer decided to take his mother on the summit to abandon her there for some time. In this way, she had to die in isolation. Question 2. Why did the son hide her mother in the closet? Answer. The son hid his mother in the closet beneath the floor of the kitchen so that she might escape the possible death sentence announced for the aged people. Question 3. What does the phrase, with the crown of snow there cometh wisdom, mean? Answer. The phrase, with the crown of snow there cometh wisdom, means that wisdom comes with old age. Question 4. What is the theme of The Aged Mother? Answer. The theme of the story, The Aged Mother, is to show us importance of aged people who are more experienced and wiser than young people. Question 5. What is the climax of the story, The Aged Mother? Answer. The climax of the story, The Aged Mother, is that when the king orders to present him the rope of ashes and no one is able to find solution of this problem, everyone is in great distress. Question 6. Why did the farmer disclose his secret? Answer. The farmer disclosed his secret because he wanted to disclose the wisdom, importance, and love of aged people before the leader. He also wanted to show the leader the power of wisdom over strength. Question 7. What are the elements of the story, The Aged Mother? Answer. The elements of the story, The Aged Mother, include characters, setting, plot, and moral lesson. Characters are a farmer, an aged mother, a governor, and governor's messengers. Setting is the town of Shinano. The story properly develops, giving us a very nice moral lesson. Question 8. What is the setting of the story? Answer. The setting of the story includes time and place. The place is a hut at the foot of the mountain in the town of Shinano, a town ruled by a despotic ruler. The days are barbarous and the act of abandoning all people to die in isolation is not strange. Question 9. Why did the leader issue the proclamation? Answer. The leader issued the proclamation to put all the aged people to death in order to save his strength and rule. He considered all people dangerous for his despotic rule. Question 10. How does the poor youth feel about the proclamation? Answer. The proclamation filled the heart of the poor youth with sorrow and distress. Question 11. How did the youth carry out the order? Answer. The youth told the order of the governor to his old mother. She told the method of making rope of ashes. Thus he made a rope of twisted straws. Then he stretched it upon flat stones and burnt it. Thus he carried out the governor's order with the help of his old mother.